Hello students, today we will discuss logarithmic differentiation. Now, sometimes we have to deal with can be expression as a product of number of functions or a quotient of number of functions or a function which is the power of the function, that is function raised to function. There are three cases: product of number of functions. Here we take first example, product of three functions, quotient of functions, here quotient as well as fraction power of functions. Third is a function raised to function, and fourth is function raised to function and sum of two function raised to function, which is not a multiplication. That means there are four type of difficult examples are solved by logarithmic differentiation. That means taking logs and simplify this natural logarithm, taking on both sides and simplify. After simplify, we get the differentiability easily. Now we will solve some problems in this way. The first problem is differentiate with respect to x, y is equal to x plus 1 bracket square divided by x plus 2 bracket cube into x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. That means which is the quotient of functions. In denominator, product of two function, numerator is the one function, also its power. The first step is taking logs on both sides. Taking logs on both sides, log of y left hand side, right hand side, log of bracket x plus 1 bracket square divided by x plus 2 bracket cube into x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. In right hand side, we apply the rule of logarithm, that is log of x plus 1 bracket square. The quotient of functions therefore takes subtraction, minus log of x plus 2 bracket cube minus log of x plus 4 bracket raised x plus 3 bracket raised to 4. Again we apply the properties of logarithm. Log a raised to n is equal to n into log a, then 2 is multiply 2 into log of x plus 1 minus 3 into log of x plus 2 minus 4 into log of x plus 3. Left hand side log y. Now which is the simplified by using the logarithmic function, we get the simple form, and after we get simple form, then differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. The left hand side is the composite function. Y is log of y is the composite function because the variable is in place of x, variable is y. Therefore this derivative of log is 1 by function, that is 1 by y, into again derivative of y is dy by dx, is equal to twice into derivative of log x or log of functions is 1 divided by x, 1 divided by x plus 1, into which is also composite function x plus 1, minus 3 into 1 divided by x plus 2 into d dx of x plus 2, minus 4 1 divided by x plus 3 into d dx of x plus 3. Then second step, 2 into derivative of x is 1, derivative 1 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 divided by x plus 1, minus 3 into derivative of x is 1, derivative of 2 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 1 also 1, 1 divided by x plus 2, minus 4 into 1 divided by x plus 3. Again derivative of x is 1, 3 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Then we write 2 divided by x plus 1 minus 3 divided by x plus 2 minus 4 divided by x plus 3. Left hand side consists 1 divided by y dy by dx, but we want only dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y into square bracket 2 divided by x plus 1 minus 3 divided by x plus 2 minus 4 divided by x plus 3. And last step, substitute value of y, given value, suppose we write this given equation, that is y 1, then substitute value of this y is x plus 1 bracket square divided by x plus 2 bracket cube x plus 3 bracket raised to 4 into square bracket 2 divided by x plus 1 minus 3 divided by x plus 2 minus 4 divided by x plus 3, which is the final answer, dy by dx. Now again we take second example. The second example is product of three functions. First is a polynomial or quadratic equation and its power. Second, trigonometric. Third is exponential function and its product. Then again taking logs on both sides. Log of y is equal to log of x square plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 into sine cube 2x into 2 raised to x square. Again apply the law of logarithm. Here product of three function, take its sum, log of x square plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 plus log of sine cube 2x plus log of 2 raised to x square. Next law of indices apply. Log a raised to n is equal to n into log a. Then 3 by 2 log of x square plus 3 plus 3 into log of sine 2x plus x square into log of 2, which is the simplify. Log y is equal to, we get three terms in terms of log, then differentiate with respect to x, 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 3 by 2 into derivative of log x is 1 divided by function, that is x square plus 3 into d dx of x square plus 3 plus 3 into 1 divided by sine 2x into d dx of sine 2x plus log 2 is constant and derivative of x square is twice x. Next step is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 divided by x square plus 3 into derivative of x square is twice x and derivative of 3 is 0. That means its derivative is twice x plus 3 divided by sine 2x into derivative of sine 2x is cos 2x, again which is a function of function cos of twice sine of twice x. Therefore we take derivative of 2x is also 2. I write directly derivative of 2x is 2 plus 2x into log 2. Then after simplify, 2 to cancel, 3x divided by x square plus 3 first step plus 3 into 2 is 6, cos 2x divided by sin 2x is cot 2x plus 2x into log 2. 1 divided by y into dy by dx, left hand side same, but we want to dy by dx is equal to y into 3x divided by x square plus 3 plus 6 cot 2x plus 2x into log 2, and last step we substitute value of y, dy by dx is equal to y is x square plus 2 raised to 3 by 2 into sine cube 2x into 2 raised to x square square bracket 3x divided by x square plus 3 plus 6 cot x, 6 cot 2x not x, plus 2x into log 2. Now this is the final answer. Now in last step 2x into log 2, sometimes we write log of 2 raised to twice x, then which is also correct. Okay. Now take third example. Y is equal to x raised to tan x. X is algebraic function, tan inverse x is the inverse function. That means function of function. We use this method is in this way, function raised to function, then always taking logs on both sides. Y is equal to x raised to tan inverse x, function raised to function, therefore taking logs on both sides. Log of y is equal to log of x raised to tan inverse x. By using definition of or rule of logarithm, tan inverse x into log x. That means log y is equal to tan inverse x into log x. Here there are product of two functions, that is first function u tan inverse x, second is phi. We apply the rule of u into phi, differentiate with respect to x 1 by y dy by dx is equal to u, that is same, tan inverse of x into d dx of phi d dx of log x plus log x into d dx of tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x divided by x plus log x divided by 1 plus x square. Now again we take y on right hand side, dy by dx is equal to y bracket tan inverse x divided by x plus log x divided by 1 plus x square. And last step, substitute value of x is y is x raised to tan inverse x bracket tan inverse x divided by x plus log x divided by 1 plus x square, which is the final answer. Now we'll take last example, fourth example, which is important. Now this example is y is equal to sin x raised to tan x plus cos x raised to cot x. That means function raised to function. The students are always write first line taking logs on both sides. Here in 3 example, I write first taking logs on both sides, but in 4th example, here I don't write taking logs on both sides because in right hand side, the sum of two functions, sum or subtraction or two or more than function, we cannot apply the rule of logarithm. This is the complications. Function raised to function, but sum of two function raised to function. Then we assume u is equal to sin x raised to tan x and phi is equal to cos x raised to cot x. Therefore, y is equal to u plus phi. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Write equation 1. Now consider first function u is equal to sin x raised to tan x. Then we take the logarithm because function raised to function. Taking logs on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Log u is equal to log of sin x raised to tan x is equal to tan x into log of sin x. Again, on right hand side there are two functions. First into second, not take u into v because we take here u into v. First into second, then apply product of two function, differentiate with respect to x 1 by u du by dx is equal to first function tan x into derivative of second log of sin x plus second function log of sin x into d dx of first function tan x. 1 by u into du by dx is equal to tan x into derivative of log function is 1 by function, that is 1 by sine function. Again derivative of sine is cos x plus log of sin x into derivative of tan is sec square x is equal to tan x into cot x plus log of sin x into sec square x. Cot and tan are reciprocal of each other, therefore get cancelled 1. 1 plus log of sin x into sec square x 1 by u into du by dx. Then we want to du by dx is equal to u bracket 1 plus log of sin x into sec square x. Substitute value of u, du by dx is equal to u is sin x raised to tan x bracket 1 plus log of sin x into sec square x, equation number 2. Now consider phi is equal to cos x raised to tan x, cot x. Taking logs on both sides, log phi is equal to log of cos x raised to cot x. By using property of log phi is equal to cot x into log of cos x. Again here first and second, product of two functions, differentiate with respect to x, 1 by phi du by dx is equal to cot x into derivative of second is ddx of log of cos x plus log of cos x into ddx of cot x. 1 by phi into du by dx is equal to cot x. Derivative of logarithmic function is 1 divided by this function 1 by cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus log of cos x into derivative of cot x is minus cos x square x, 1 by phi into du by dx is equal to minus cot x into tan x minus log of cos x into cos x square x. Here cot and tan are also reciprocal. Its value is 1, that is minus 1 minus log of cos x into cos x square x. Therefore dv by dx is equal to phi bracket minus 1 minus log of cos x into cosec square x, equation again substitute value of phi is the value of phi is cos x raised to cot x, cos x raised to cot x bracket minus 1 minus log of cos x into cosec square x, equation second. From equation 1, 2 and 3, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Write the equation 1 first. Is equal to equation 1 is sin x bracket raised to tan x square bracket 1 plus log of sin x into sec square x plus equation second cos x raised to cot x bracket minus 1 minus log of cos x into cosec square x bracket complete. Last step is equal to sin x raised to tan x bracket 1 plus log of sin x into sec square x bracket complete. Now here negative sign, also negative sign, take outside negative, minus cos x raised to cot x bracket 1 plus log of cos x into sec square into, not sec square, cosec square x, cosec square x, left hand side dy by dx. Now which is the final answer. Now in this way some complicated problems are solved by logarithmic methods, therefore which is called as the logarithmic differentiation, which is not actually the method. We simplify given complicated problem by using logarithm, then find the derivative. Okay, thanks.